My name is Dr. Sarah Miner. I'm an audiologist with ENT in the Hearing Center. I was born and raised in Fort Wayne. I left for a few years to do grad school down in Muncie at Ball State, but otherwise I have lived here my whole life. I kind of fell into audiology after I started college with a different major, took several of those classes and decided that that was not the path I wanted to go down. My dad worked at a hospital and knew that they were always short on speech pathologists. So I moved into my classes in speech pathology and hearing. When it was time to make a decision for grad school, I decided hearing was the way I wanted to go. I would recommend that a patient come in and get their hearing checked anytime that they feel like they're having any trouble. Even if they come in, we do a hearing test and we find normal hearing, there may be something that we can help them with regardless of the results of that test. Anytime a patient is over about 55, 60 years old, I would absolutely encourage them to just come in for a routine test as well. Sometimes we'll find a hearing loss that they didn't even know they had at that point. I just love getting to know my patients and build those relationships with them. Every patient has a story, so it's always great to learn about their patients and learn their backgrounds and their interests and what they're excited about at the time or about their family and their grandkids. It's just nice to get to know them. Outside of the Hearing Center, I volunteer at the zoo, at the Fort Wayne Children's Zoo. So I love being able to work in the goat yard, and I love animals in general. So it's just kind of a nice outlet, something fun to do with animals. My husband and I also have season tickets to the Comet hockey games. So in the winter, we will spend a lot of our time there as well.